Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email.
Hello everyone, welcome back, and today I'll be sharing you guys the future updates of Southwest Florida. And here's my Discord server here. Here's a Discord server. So far we have one boost. Thank you to this guy here for boosting the server. But if you guys want to join, feel free to join. The link is in the description. But yeah, so let's move on to the future updates. So before this video starts, I want to give big credits to my friend Joey. His channel will be linked in the comment section. It is going to be the pinned comment. Thank you for him for making this slideshow here. But first up, we have cars here. So here is the first car. On the left side, we have the real car in real life, and on the right side here we have the Southwest Florida model that the developers that made here. Here's what it's gonna look like in game so far. Looks very nice, as you guys can see. Nice Ferrari. Next we have the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. So as you guys can see on the left, we have the real version of the car, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ there, and on the right we have the in-game model, which is gonna be in Southwest Florida. I really like the bottom picture here. It looks very detailed, very nice. But the front, it still looks like the normal Aventador. So I think they should add a little bit more detail here, like the two front black things here, and some more detail in the front lip and stuff. But overall, looks very nice. And they're also gonna add a Ferrari F8, very nice, as you guys can see. I like how they made the roof blacked out. Here's the real life car on the left. And we have one picture so far of the Ferrari F8 model. Very nice, as you guys can see. Next up, we have the Ferrari the Ferrari Superfast. There we go. And as you guys can see, this thing looks very nice. So we have three pictures of the real life car. We have one picture here of the Southwest Florida model. Looks very nice. The headlights there, as you guys can see. And next we have the Ferrari 488 Pista. As you guys can see, the real life model here, all real life models. And we have the Southwest Florida model. Looks very nice there, as you guys see. And next up we have an Audi, very nice, as you guys can see. So far we have one model. This thing looks very nice with the wide body and the small little spoilers. This thing looks very clean, very compact. But yeah, next up we have the Alfa Romeo here, very nice. Greenville has this car, but South Florida does not have it yet. But once they add this thing into the game, it looks very nice. That'll be pretty cool. And they're gonna also add the M4 Supra. That's gonna be very cool. As you guys can see, the model looks very realistic, very similar to the real life one. And we also have GUI voting. So they did have three GUIs. This is the current one here, but they did have two GUIs here, and more people voted for the one in the middle here. Looks very clean. I personally like the top one, but I mean, either one is very nice. And the next GUI is the thing on the side here to spawn stuff. But here's the current one that we currently use, and these are the ones that will be coming out. So people want the pop out one. So once you hover your mouse over it, it will pop out. Very cool. And currently this is the money GUI here, and this is gonna be the new one. No voting on that. And the volume thing is gonna change to this. This looks way cleaner than the current one. But yeah, I have no idea what this is, but it looks like a cool addition. But yeah. Alright guys, that is gonna conclude this video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail. You can call me or send a text, love. Going solo, but I wish you all the best, love.